Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the iterable you will process. That choice determines behavior, so pick list, tuple, string, range, or generator. Once chosen, write for item in iterable, and indent the block. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to choose a descriptive variable name so you and others know what each element represents. Also, when you need indices, use for I in range, len iterable, and access iterable I. This gives predictable numeric control. Once inside the loop, you perform the core work. Transform values, filter with conditionals, accumulate into a list or total, or print results. To maintain clarity, use enumerate iterable when you need the index and value. That avoids manual index tracking. If you have multiple iterables, use zip A, B so items pair up cleanly. Also remember break stops early and continue skips to the next iteration. Use them intentionally to control flow. To finish, gather outcomes by appending into a list, updating a dict, or returning an aggregated value. That makes the loop useful. Once done, ensure your loop runs the expected number of times by verifying the iterable and range parameters. If results differ, make sure to inspect a single iteration with a print or debugger to see variable states. This catches off by one and type issues quickly. If performance matters, consider list comprehensions or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.